Good Sarnam Mama.
Good Chananda.
I have been your student since some years. In Reiki, there are a lot of doubts for me as well as for many people. As a senior gynecologist and a Reiki Grandmaster, will you be clarifying some doubts for us?
100%.
In Reiki, are we giving our own energy to others?
It's a very fundamental question after so long years of service. So, thinking we cannot give our energy. This is absolutely subtle energy. Nobody is having that much of subtle energy, number one. Number two is in Reiki, there is a process called initiation. The initiation made a person to balance the chakra and the aura, which is the electromagnetic field around the body, and they are having the connection between the cosmos and the physical body, a subtle body, I can say. When you are giving Reiki to anybody, the cosmic energy will come through the chakras, crown chakra, then the throat and heart, and then through the shoulder, and it will come to the hand. We are the pipes, nothing. If the water, if you are giving the water connection, the water will be in the tap and it is coming through the pipes. The pipe cannot, claim that I am the responsible for that water. The water source is somewhere else. Okay, it is in the Akash, water source. So, we cannot claim we are the source.
Thank you, Amma. The next question is, while giving treatment, do you contract the disease of the healing?
It's a good question. See, nobody can contract the disease. The contraction of the disease is not that. When you are having that ambition, otherwise ego, I can say that ego, that I am clearing this person and I want this man to immediately clear his disease or get out of the disease. That is, if that condition, because of his emotional status, because of his egoistic status, he will get into the aura of that person and may feel that one, that too he cannot affect it. Okay, because he is already initiated. Understand? Another one, in Reiki, here we are already teaching very important one, how to protect their aura, how to protect oneself while giving the treatment. That is a very important one what we are giving. So no chance of getting, because we have been in this line for the past 19 years, so many, all the people are healing, even the housewives, me and my this one, Ganesh Babu, Ramesh, all the people are treating for the past so many years. What will happen to us? We are all right. On the contrary, we are all maintaining our body, because you are consuming 30% of what you are giving, the energy. So, which is maintaining your own body also. Who are all the people who are giving Reiki, they are also consuming 30% of that cosmic energy, which will give that energy for their body, whatever the lakna in their body also. So, no problem at all. We are all example. We have been giving for so many years. No chance.
Okay, Amma. Reiki healer is protected. And what about their children? Will they have a possibility of getting anything?
It is, I think this question itself really done. Why the children are coming over here? Where is the connection between the children and that one? Okay. There is no chance in that. No? While you are doing Reiki, you are doing there the patient. The place will be the thing. When even you are doing in the house, you will be given to the relations, other things, you will be having the protection. Then where is the point of giving to the children? The children energy is essentially different. Why they are coming in between? That's a fake thing. No? That and all unnecessary gossip is going on. No, nothing.
So when people go to different Reiki masters, what is the impact?
That is a very important one, because people know they want to learn something from one master, then to the other master, then go to the other master. Then what they will incorporate, or they will combine all the things, make their own thing, and they started selling that one. Once if you learn from somebody and you are making your aura tuned to that one type of what they are giving, that initiation. When you go to the other person, what will happen? They form one pattern in this body that will be shattered. So they cannot get the power what they got it from that master. So what they got it from the last master, That is the one will be with them. So what are the things they got it from the, what is the last master? That is the thing, the energy they'll be having. There is no use of no, I am having this one, that one. Even though I learned so many art. Then I have been to USA, then Catherine Miller told no, don't condemn. But she explained it nicely, scientifically, that they onwards I am not combining any other thing, giving only one. Somebody, they push me towards this one. Amma, you also give me that Reiki. They say, no, I won't give. I am not at all confused in that one. So I am giving only one. But I don't mind it. Only one is enough because I am getting a very good result. If you are genuine to one, you will be getting a very good result. See, for example, you are writing a book, something you are writing. Over that you are writing some other thing. When you are clearing the book and keep on writing something, can you read anything? You cannot read anything. In sambar you have to certain ingredients you have to put. In any dishes you have to put certain. But no, these are all available with me. I put all the ingredients in that food. What would be the food? What you are expecting, that food you cannot make it. That is the very important one. So you have to secure yourself from such things. That is not advisable. That is cheating the public. Don't do such things.
Is it possible to initiate so many people all at once into Reiki within few seconds?
Absolutely not possible. In few seconds, you cannot initiate Reiki because it is personally we are initiating. For example, at Coimbatore, Salem, once when I was conducting the workshops, I heard about 100, 200 people. We'll start at about early morning, 7:30 or 8 o'clock. We'll be finishing at about 1:30, sometimes more than that also, because to initiate everybody we were initiating, even now I am initiating everybody individually. It is not possible because Reiki itself is individual. What master has given, any master, you can any system if you see, nobody said no, we cannot give that master initiation. You have to initiate everybody for that tune. So they put that procedures, you put this, that in such a manner, you have to take that breath, all the things are there. It's a process. So we cannot change that one. If it is a genuine thing, we have to get it. I'm sorry, we have to give individually the Reiki should be initiated.
And some senior Reiki practitioners claim that they became sick after long practice of Reiki. Is that true?
I don't think so. I know so many thousands of people are doing Reiki. Masters are so many times. See, their karma, something they got. All the people are getting so many diseases. If something coming to the Reiki master, that doesn't mean because of the Reiki he got the disease. No, I don't think so. No, that is a wrong belief. Because of Reiki, nobody will contract disease. Nobody will become sick. Because of Reiki, it is their karma. Some other thing they would have got it. That's all. That is Reiki is not the reason. No, Reiki is not the reason. Even when you are giving, thousands of people healing, okay, you can protect yourself. There are umpty protection agencies are there, protective procedures are there. We can utilize that. Okay, we can do the thing. No, it's not at all like that. I have seen so many masters, starting from William Randall Williams, so many masters, super, Paula Haran. How nice masters I come across with them. Nothing has happened. So far they are all right. No?
How does one find a genuine guru and a Reiki master?
Reiki master you can say, Guru I don't accept. That word it is not applicable to any of us. Because the Guru, after learning so many this one, the Guru title is entirely different. Nobody can take it as a Guru title. Okay, but the master title, because we are expertising ourselves in one area. So masters we can claim. But no, selecting a person I am telling how they are living. Number one. If you want, say, when you are putting something, you are taking something from the one part. How much in that part? Okay, whether it is a liquid or a acid, or you can take any of the thing. In the part, how much it contains, you can take it. Nothing is there inside the pot, how can you get it? You cannot get it. So, quickly, you just see the living pattern of them. their how they are living, what is their condition, all the things you just see, and and the mental this one. Everybody is having their own mental aptitude. In that, you can come in contact with the master and you can get it done. That is it. You have to select when you are LKG, so UKG also you are selecting how that master, how he is teaching, how many since how many years they are teaching, and how many students they passed out of that one. All the things, you can also take that data also from any masters, how they are, because 1-2 master nowadays, that is the thing, 1-2 master. How, what is the experience for them? See, for example, when I got the mastership, I got the 1 year. I was only in the healing. Only in the healing. I stopped my career also. Because I was very much interested, I started crystal healing, this, that, and the thing. Coimbatore, I was doing only healing. So many people, they know that this doctor is doing some mantra. I mean, what you call the magic, they used to say. I put that mantra, Amma, they used to say. So, what I'm telling is the practice. How much they undergone the practice, that's very important. Rather than creating the masters, how much so far, no, I have not created many masters. I am sorry to say this. Very few masters, very few masters. That too, I have selected, I was very choosy. Very choosy. So, selected the masters are very, masters also should select the thing for the good people to get that mastership. So, I have given very few only. So, what I am telling is, you have to see the master's lifestyle and how they are teaching. That's very important. Reiki means, that's not the teaching. They should enter into that. Okay, they should experience that Reiki. And also they should make you to experience that one. That is Reiki, good Reiki master. That you will get it. If you are good, your karma is good, you will be getting a good master.
Thank you.
All the best.